Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you the Google Lens search feature that's built into Google Chrome. So this is not new, but if you've never seen it, you might want to check it out. Plus they kind of updated it and made it a little easier to use. So this allows you to pretty much find anything on a website and then search for it on other websites. So we'll show you some examples here. Alright, so we got Chrome open here with a blender on Amazon. So let's say you wanted to find this in other places. All you need to do is go up to the address bar. So one little trick, if you have a long address like this, you got to click at the end of it and you'll see this little camera here, search with Google Lens. Just click on that, draw a box around what you want to search for, and then let go. And then it'll show your results over here on the right. And then if you want to go to another site to check it out, you can just click on Visit. Then it'll take you there as well. And then once you're done, just click on the X here in the top right corner, and you're back on your page. Alright, so this will even work for other things. Let's say you're watching a Star Wars clip here and you want to know what is this character's name. We could do the same thing. Now see here that there's nothing showing in the address bar, but if you click in it, you could bring up the Google Lens box here. We'll draw a picture around this guy. And you can see it found similar things here. So this was a little harder to find. That's why I chose this example here. But it will work for, videos as well once you pause it. Alright, so let's say you're looking at some dogs here and you want to know what type of dog this is. Same thing. So here are your results based on what it saw. Of course, it might not be correct because we never know what kind of dog this is exactly by looking at it, but here are some similar dogs that might give you some ideas. Alright, and let's say you're looking at a picture like this of some text, and you want to find some other examples of it. And I'll show you another feature you could use with this as well. Now you can see here, select text and translate. So if it was in another language, you could have it translate the language. But if we click on select text and then copy, let's say we open Notepad here, for example, there's something to paste it into. And it'll paste it in there. It even has the capital letters. Then if we do it again here without using the text copy option, you can see we found some other examples of it and even some examples that are similar but not exactly the same. Alright, let's do one more similar example here. Let's say you wanted to find this one here. So it found the same one here. And you can see it also gave you an option to search for the text here. If we click on that, it'll give you some results as if you searched for that text itself. And you can see, this has found some similar kind of designs and graphics, but it's not going to find exactly the same one unless there happened to be an exact same one on another site. And then of course you could do it again. And we'll try copying the text again, selecting it, copying it. And there you go. All right, so once again, just go to any website. Decide what you want to search for. Click up here in the address bar. Click on Google Lens, draw a box around it. And then you'll get your search results. And then if you want to go to one of those pages, just simply click on it, and that's all you need to do. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.